Hey, Bruv warriors! Welcome back to the channel where we conquer fitness one rep at a time. Are you ready to burn belly fat fast and see quick results? Today I've got an epic 20-minute HIIT workout featuring 8 powerful exercises proven to torch calories, shed stubborn belly fat, and sculpt your body. Let me tell you man, this workout is no joke. We're talking about high-intensity, full-body movements that'll have you sweating buckets and feeling the burn like never before. But don't worry, I'll be right here with you every step of the way, guiding you through each exercise and providing modifications if needed. So grab your gear, a bottle of water, and let's get ready to unleash our inner beast mode. It's time to crank up the intensity and transform our bodies from the inside out. Let's jump right in. First up, we're starting strong with mountain climbers. Get down on the ground and get into a high plank position, hands shoulder width apart, directly beneath your shoulders. Now, imagine you're running up a mountain, driving your knees towards your chest in an alternating fashion. This is a killer full-body exercise that'll get your heart rate pumping and engage your core like crazy. It's all about speed and intensity here, so really try to pick up the pace and feel the burn in your abs, shoulders, and legs. Remember to keep your core tight throughout the entire movement. We don't want any sagging hips or arched backs here. Engage those abs like you're bracing for a punch. Trust me, a strong core is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of this exercise and preventing any injuries. Keep those knees driving towards your chest, maintain that high plank position, and breathe. Don't hold your breath, even when things start to get tough. We're in this together. Mountain climbers are a staple in any HIIT workout because they're incredibly effective at burning calories and shredding fat. Plus, they work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them a time-efficient exercise for those with busy schedules. We're going to be doing these for 30 seconds, so find your rhythm, push yourself to the limit, and let's conquer this mountain together. Remember, form over speed, but don't be afraid to challenge yourself. You got this. Alright, Bruv warriors, here's the second one. It's time to kick things up a notch with some weighted burpees. Grab a pair of light dumbbells, nothing too heavy, we're not trying to turn into bodybuilders here, and let's get to work. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, dumbbells in hand. Now squat down and place the dumbbells on the ground in front of you. Kick your feet back into a high plank position, just like we did with the mountain climbers. Here's where things get interesting. Perform a push-up, lowering your chest towards the ground while maintaining a straight line from head to toe. Push back up to the high plank position, then quickly jump your feet back towards your hands. Now explosively stand up, driving through your heels and press those dumbbells overhead, extending your arms fully. That's 1 rep. Weighted burpees are the ultimate full-body exercise, combining cardio, strength training, and pure grit into one explosive movement. They'll torch calories, build muscle, and leave you feeling like a total badass. Remember to maintain proper form throughout the exercise. Keep your core engaged, back straight, and avoid any unnecessary strain on your joints. If you're new to weighted burpees, start with lighter dumbbells and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. We're going to be doing these for 30 seconds, so pace yourself, focus on each rep, and let's unleash our inner warrior. Alright, number 3, let's tap into some primal energy with some medicine ball slams. Grab a medicine ball. Choose a weight that's challenging but allows you to maintain good form, and let's unleash some power. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding the medicine ball with both hands. Raise the ball above your head, fully extending your arms. Now here's where things get explosive. Hinge at your hips and forcefully slam the ball to the ground in front of you, contracting your core as you do so. As the ball bounces back up, squat down, catch it, and immediately go into the next rep. Medicine ball slams are all about power and explosiveness. They're a fantastic way to release stress, build core strength, and burn a ton of calories in a short amount of time. Remember to engage your core throughout the entire movement. This will help protect your lower back and ensure you're getting the most out of each slam. We're going to be slamming these for another 30. So, channel your inner beast mode, let out a primal yell if you have to, and let's make some noise. On to the 4th. Kettlebell swings. Alright Bruv warriors, it's time to swing some iron with kettlebell swings. Grab a kettlebell. Choose a weight that challenges you but allows you to maintain proper form, and let's get those hips moving. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointed slightly outward. Place the kettlebell on the ground in front of you. Now, hinge at your hips, keeping your back straight and core engaged, and grab the kettlebell with an overhand grip. Hike the kettlebell back between your legs, like you're passing a football to someone behind you. Here's where the magic happens. Drive through your hips explosively, swinging the kettlebell forward and upward to chest height. Let the momentum of the swing guide the kettlebell back down between your legs. Kettlebell swings are a fantastic exercise for building posterior chain strength. That's your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, while also torching calories and improving cardiovascular health. Remember to keep your core engaged, back straight, and avoid any rounding in your spine. The power should come from your hips, not your arms. We're going to be swinging for this for 30 seconds, so find your rhythm, embrace the burn, and let's get those kettlebells moving. Here's number 5, battle rope slams. Alright Bruv Warriors, it's time to unleash our inner Viking with some battle rope slams. Grab a battle rope, make sure it's securely anchored, and let's get those arms pumping. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, facing the anchor point of the battle rope. Grab one end of the rope in each hand, palms facing each other. Now bend your knees slightly and keep your core engaged. Raise one arm up overhead, then slam the rope down towards the ground. Alright Bruv Warriors, it's time to channel our inner Thor with some hammer swings. Grab a sledgehammer. Make sure it's a weight you can handle safely, and find a sturdy tire that can withstand the impact. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, the tire positioned directly in front of you. Hold the sledgehammer with both hands, arms extended in front of you. Now, lift the sledgehammer up and over your head, keeping your core engaged and back straight. Swing the hammer down towards the tire with as much force as you can, rotating your torso as you do so. Hammer swings are a fantastic full-body exercise that builds power, strength, and coordination. They're also a great way to release stress and have some fun while you're at it. Remember to choose a sledgehammer weight that's appropriate for your fitness level. Start light and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. We're going to be swinging for that magic 30. So channel your inner Thor, unleash your inner power, and let's make some noise. Alright Bruv Warriors, here's lucky number 7, it's time to unleash our inner beast with some Prowler Pushes. Load up a Prowler sled with a challenging weight, but remember, form over ego, and let's get to work. Position yourself behind the Prowler sled, hands gripping the handles firmly. Lean into the sled, engaging your core and keeping your back straight. Now, drive through your legs, pushing the sled forward with as much force as you can. Maintain a controlled pace, keeping your core engaged and back straight throughout the movement. Prowler pushes are a fantastic full-body exercise that targets your legs, core, and cardiovascular system. They're a great way to build strength, power, and endurance, all while torching calories and melting fat. Remember to choose a weight that's challenging, but allows you to maintain proper form. Start with a lighter weight, and gradually increase the load as you get stronger. We're going to be pushing for no more than 30 seconds, so dig deep, embrace the burn, and let's conquer this beast. Alright Bruv Warriors, we're in the home stretch. Let's finish strong with some kettlebell long cycles. Grab a kettlebell. Choose a weight that challenges you but allows you to maintain proper form, and let's get those reps in. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, the kettlebell on the ground in front of you. Now, hinge at your hips, keeping your back straight and core engaged, and grab the kettlebell with an overhand grip. Hike the kettlebell back between your legs, like you're passing a football to someone behind you. Here's where things get interesting. Drive through your hips explosively, swinging the kettlebell forward and upward. As the kettlebell reaches chest height, rotate your hand and catch it in a front rack position, elbow high, wrist straight. From here, press the kettlebell overhead, extending your arm fully. Reverse the movement, lowering the kettlebell back to the front rack position, then swing it back between your legs. That's 1 rep. Kettlebell long cycles are a fantastic full-body exercise that combines strength, power, and cardiovascular conditioning. They're a great way to build muscle, burn calories, and improve your overall fitness level. Remember to choose a weight that's challenging, but allows you to maintain proper form. Start with a lighter weight, and gradually increase the load as you get stronger. We're going to be cycling for that final 30. So, stay focused, maintain good form, and let's finish this workout strong. Amazing work, Bruv Warriors. Take a minute to cool down with some light stretches. Focus on your hamstrings, shoulders, and core to recover. Remember, workouts like these are essential for burning belly fat, but don't forget that your diet plays a big role too. Stay consistent, eat clean, and the results will come. Listen, you've just pushed your body to the limit, and that's something to be proud of. But the journey doesn't end here. Consistency is key when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. Make these workouts a regular part of your routine, challenge yourself, and don't be afraid to push your boundaries. If you love this workout, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below your favorite move from today. Let me know what you want to see next. Until then, stay strong, burn fat, and be brave, Bruv Warriors.